বাবা আপনি লাগা ডিউটি আপনি লাগা রোল তো কি আছে নাম্বার 1 seeking God and knowing God being in his presence you may be a businessman hobo pare doctor hobo pare lawyer hobo pare hole bi apni laga ishor ke fellowship thakia laga itu number 1 ase de apni maiki nibisra age tibi ki first lage jane ishor lage de you don't need a woman's presence in your life you need God's presence first in your life to moi baba khan ke encourage kuru mon jase seek God's face daily and he will give you the wisdom first ishor lage aru ishor para he apni ke direction dia shuru hoi jabo de baba khan mota khan if you don't learn the word of God you can not be in a position who can teach you cannot be gor laga head koi to na mohange leader koi to na you cannot be a leader isor la gor na janile kinaga lead kurubo isor la kotha na janine kinaga leader kurubo bacha khan problem thake ante maiki khan nolibi bimar hwa damte itu bra mota khan beshi bak amma laga oporte dale de church jabi gorte hikabi amma itu para fail hoide foundation to crack anya suru hoi jaide baba khan isor ke laga khota na jana para nihka para